This is Bob, a small business owner. Bob's always known you have to spend money to make money, and he's always made sure to include money in the marketing budget for a premium listing in his local Yellow Pages. Business at the auto repair shop was great until a couple of years ago, and it'd be easy to chalk it up to a slow economy. But you see Bob's competitor Mike, he's raking in the big bucks. What's Mike's secret? Search engine optimization on Google with local SEO success. You see, Mike realized that nowadays, close to 70% of internet users perform local searches on Google before making a buying decision. And if your business is not showing up on Google, people won't call you. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out what Bob did next. One call to local SEO success and problem solved. Be like Bob. Contact us today and see how we can optimize your local business for much less than you might think. Call us at 1-602-374-7601 or visit us at www.localseosuccess.com.
Created using Powtoon.